exploring the legendary voice of Whitney Houston, her musical journey, iconic hits, and enduring legacy. Immerse yourself in the echoes of Whitney Houston's unforgettable voice as we open with a snippet of her powerful vocals. Ever wonder who truly shaped modern pop and R&B? Stay with us as we unravel the legacy of this musical titan. Did the 80s and 90s merely host a musical era? Or did Whitney Houston herself redefine it? We take a deep dive into the time when her voice became the soundtrack of a generation, exploring her role as a vocal powerhouse. As iconic images of Whitney fill the screen, we prepare to take you on a journey through her incredible career. From her dazzling performances to her profound impact on music, witness how her voice transcended generations and continues to inspire. The haunting intro of "I Will Always Love You" sets the stage for a deeper exploration. This isn't just a song, it's the anthem of a legend. Join us as we delve into the life and legacy of Whitney Houston herself. What exactly defines a music legend? Through this video, we explore Whitney Houston's unparalleled career, from her chart-topping hits to her influential role in shaping the music industry. Discover the essence of a true musical icon. Opening with a montage of renowned artists extolling Whitney Houston, the video piques curiosity. Why is Whitney so revered by the greatest in the music industry? Such praise underscores her influence and sets the stage for an insightful exploration of her legacy. From her gospel beginnings to her ascension as a global superstar, Whitney Houston's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. This segment traces her timeline, highlighting key moments that catapulted her to stardom and cemented her status in the music world. Whitney's first television appearance is a pivotal moment, showcased to illustrate her meteoric rise from a young singer in Newark to an international icon. This transformation is packed with inspiring stories of perseverance and breakthroughs that resonate with viewers. The documentary delves into Whitney Houston's groundbreaking achievements, both on and off the stage. It highlights her record-breaking hits and the barriers she shattered, painting a picture of a woman who redefined the possibilities for artists to come. Whitney Houston was known for her vocal prowess, but she had a dual persona that captivated audiences worldwide. This segment explores the complexity of her character, revealing the layers behind the powerhouse diva and the angelic voice that touched millions. Begin with the sweeping success of The Bodyguard soundtrack, which catapulted Whitney Houston into a new realm of stardom. Behind these blockbuster hits was a voice that captivated millions, blending raw power with delicate emotion in every note. Every legend has a story, and Whitney Houston's began in the vibrant church choirs of Newark, New Jersey. Here, she honed her extraordinary vocal skills, influenced by gospel and soul, setting the stage for a career that would rewrite music history. What was the pivotal moment that transformed Whitney Houston's career? The release of "I Will Always Love You" turned her into a global phenomenon overnight. This single event underscored her ability to touch hearts across the world with her voice. Whitney Houston wasn't just a chart topper, she was a creator of classics. From "How Will I Know" to "Saving All My Love for You," her songs became anthems that defined an era, showcasing her versatility and unparalleled vocal prowess. Whitney's journey wasn't solely about her public triumphs. Behind the music lay personal struggles, from battling addiction to facing intense media scrutiny. Yet through it all, her resilience and dedication to her craft shone brightly, adding depth to her legacy. Whitney Houston's rendition of the national anthem at the 1991 Super Bowl left an indelible mark on America. Her powerful vocals and emotional delivery transformed a routine performance into a historic moment, making it a benchmark for all future renditions. Fans across the globe can readily recount where they were when they first heard Whitney Houston's music. Her songs became the backdrop of countless lives, influencing personal moments and shared experiences. Her ability to connect with listeners on a deeply emotional level is what makes her music timeless. Whitney Houston's influence extended beyond her music. She was a trendsetter in fashion and film, often being cited as a role model by younger artists. Her roles in movies and her unique style brought a new dimension to her career, impacting more than just the music industry. Known to her family and friends as Nippy, Whitney Houston showed a side to her that was much more personal and relatable. Her public persona as a diva was only one aspect of her. She was also a loving mother, daughter, and friend. Whitney Houston's performances at the Grammy Awards were always electrifying, often stealing the show. These moments highlighted her exceptional talent and charisma, reminding everyone why she remained at the pinnacle of the music industry for years. Whitney Houston's music broke through cultural and generational divides, resonating with diverse audiences worldwide. Experts note her unique ability to blend genres and emotions, crafting songs that appealed universally. Her timeless appeal lies in her emotional delivery and relatable lyrics. Friends, family, and colleagues often share heartfelt stories about Whitney, offering a glimpse into her genuine character and dedication to her craft. These personal anecdotes reveal the woman behind the voice, illuminating her kindness, work ethic, and the impact she had on those around her. Whitney Houston's collaborations with other stars were more than just musical partnerships. They were profound exchanges of artistic energy. Singing alongside icons like Mariah Carey and George Michael, Whitney not only showcased her versatility, but also elevated the artistry of the duets. In rare footage and interviews, Whitney openly shared her dreams and fears, providing fans with a deeper understanding of her aspirations. These candid moments are treasured by fans as they portray her vulnerability and relentless pursuit of artistic excellence. The release of I Wanna Dance with Somebody marked a pivotal moment in Whitney's career, becoming an anthem for countless fans. Its upbeat tempo and joyful lyrics encouraged a spirit of liberation and celebration, cementing its status as a timeless hit. Whitney Houston's vocal technique was a masterclass in breath control, range, and emotional expression, influencing a generation of singers. Her ability to glide effortlessly between octaves and infuse each note with deep emotion set a new standard in vocal performance. The numerous awards and honors Whitney Houston received throughout her career underscore her monumental contribution to music. From Grammy Awards to a posthumous induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, each accolade highlights her role as a trailblazer in the music industry. Whitney Houston not only dominated the charts but also paved the way for future artists. Her success challenged the music industry's norms, opening doors for a diverse array of talents who cite her as a key influence in their own careers. Revisiting Whitney Houston's performances offers a glimpse into her ability to connect with audiences worldwide. Her rendition of I Will Always Love You at various award shows remains a poignant reminder of her unparalleled stage presence and vocal prowess. For those inspired by Whitney Houston's journey and voice, subscribing to the Music Educator YouTube channel provides access to more stories about musical legends. Each video delves into the lives and legacies of influential artists, continuing Whitney's inspiring narrative.